Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm bringing for you the simple sugar syrup for Arabic desserts that is just perfect for basbousa, for kunafa, for sweet sambusas, etc. For this I'm taking here 1 cup of sugar. In this I'm adding 3/4 cup of water, and I will be adding here a slice of lemon. If you want it to be more rich in flavor, you can add cardamom as well and the rose water, but I'm keeping it simple. Now mix everything well and cook it on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. First whisk everything well so the sugar dissolves. I'm cooking it on low heat, as I said, for 10 to 15 minutes, and it will become thick. Once it thickens and you can see the consistency, it's liquidy but it's sticky on my spoon. As you can see that it's sticky, it means it's done. Bring it to room temperature and then you can use it for any kind of a special Arabic desserts. Please, if you are new here, you are most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will be bringing more amazing recipes for you in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.